Assalamu alaikum my students. Again I am over here myself Amber Lateef explaining you that how you have to attempt the lecture number 4, that will be the prime factorization. As you can see, I have done the same thing as we were following in the previous lectures, that you have to put the lecture number on the top of the red line, then the topic name is going to come like this. I have done it over here. Then because you are doing the factored tree now, so you have to draw the factor tree, means a tree like this for the title page. It's just a simple tree. You have to use the green and brown color for the tree, and then for the title page I took the number 24, which you are going to break down in the prime factors. Now my children, in the previous lectures and in today's lecture also, you have understood that what are prime factors and how you are going to break the given numbers into its prime factors. As you can see, 24 is going to break down into its prime numbers. How? First of all, 24 will be written on top of the tree like this. 2 12 is 24. Now 2 is a prime number, so leave it, but 12 is a composite number. That means 12 should be broken into its prime factors. So 2 6 are 12. Now 2 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. That means it needs to be broke into its prime factors, and I know you and I know it very well that 2 3s are 6. That means the prime factors of 24 is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 3. When you are going to multiply all these digits, you will get the 24 again. This is the correct method of writing the prime factors, and this is the correct method of making the factor tree as it is present on the screen. This will be your title page, and from the next page you are going to start your assignment questions.